Hey everybody, so this is going to be the unboxing of an item I was sent from Amazon to look and review. This is a 5.5 millimeter Endoscope. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so today we're going to be looking at this digital inspection Endoscope. It is model number MS450-NTC, Mary Sam 450-Northern Tony Charlie. I did get this for sent to me for free. It's got a nice semi-hard case. They told me that I didn't have to do a video or anything on it, but I thought it'd be a good item to bring to the channel. It's very nicely packaged. Here's the scope. It is a semi-rigid scope, which is nice. Has a threadable cap. Which is nice. To protect the camera. So here's the cap. This is the thread section. I'd assume the thread section is for accessories. It does have a little digital inspection user manual. Let's see, it has a USB-C to USB-A cord. Has a pickup tool. A little magnet. And these all thread on. And a 90-degree mirror attachment. Looks like another mounting screw, probably for the scope itself. It's a very nice, compact little unit. 3.7 volt lithium battery, so the USB-C is for charging it. It also looks like it has a memory card in here. It's got a 32 gigabyte memory card installed, which is pretty nice. The camera portion runs off USB-C as well. Wonder if you could use this on a regular cell phone. guess we might just try that. So you gotta slide it in right here. You push this button down on the back and it locks in, which is a nice feature. So you have to push that button in if you want to remove it. It's a very nice feature. I do like that. Turn it on to see if it's got any battery. It does have battery. There's variable light settings. One, two, three. So it's got 3 light settings: high, medium, and low. You can change the resolution, recording, date stamp. It's got a settings section, auto power off, language, date, time, format, default settings, version. So it's a decent little system. It does have a microphone as well, which is kind of nice. So this is just a short little unboxing and demonstration video. Trying to remember. I'll be right back. There's another channel that did a video on this exact kit. See if I can find his channel real quick. I'll probably insert some music here while I'm searching. I might not be able to find it at the moment. Bring you guys back if when I find it. If I don't find it, I'll bring you guys back anyway so we can finish talking about it. Alright everybody, so we're back. I did find the channel, so I'll leave a link up here for his channel. His channel is called Everyday Journey. And this is actually the video talking about this scope. Stupid YouTube commercials.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Journey. Today,
so it's the same scope. I will also link up here in a card for this particular video for you guys to look at. I appreciate your guys' time. Hopefully Everyday Journey doesn't have an issue with that, or YouTube doesn't have an issue that I had showed on the video, his video. But I will link in the cards above his channel as well as his video on this scope. He shows it in use in more of a use for plumbing and stuff like that in his video, which I'm not going to be doing that demonstration in mine. But if you guys want to go check out his channel and see that demonstration, you're more than welcome to. That's why I would leave the cards up above. All in all, it's a nice little unit. I do like that it's USB-C. I do like that it came with a small memory card. It is nice that you can record and take photos with it as well as audio. It's got a very nice, in my opinion, a very nice case. And we're going to be doing some more videos with this tool. We're going to be doing some videos with the still combi system. We'll be doing scoping the piston for wear and tear while we're using different style oils. Because it's a 4-cylinder or 4-cycle, but runs 2-cycle oil and fuel. So this will come in handy for that. It's a nice tiny little scope. Again, if you guys want to see more in use for like plumbing and stuff, you guys might want to go check out Everyday Journey's video on it. He shows it in use with like dropping keys down a drain, trying to recover the key, you know, checking out the pipes, you know, in a sink, stuff like that. Where I'm going to be using it more of in an automotive purpose. You know, for reed eaters, you know, more than likely we're going to be doing some video footage on a 6.8 liter V10 to look down and see if there's any wear on the pistons or the bore holes, as well as just checking overall usage and overall wear and tear on certain motors. We can even use it and see what how much wear and tear is on the Briggs & Stratton 6.5 horsepower I have out there on my Craftsman tiller. We'll use it quite a bit. I do appreciate you guys' time. I don't want this video to be like extremely long or too long. So please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!